fabrics, textures and theme board how we can create for a men's garment has to be mentioned here. So using different fabrics, how we can create different fabrics using different materials and for a different garments. So based on the theme, how we can create. So those has to be discussed here. So first we are going to define. So what is define? How we can go with that? So first we are going with color combinations, right? So we are going with color combination. What is color combination?
Like monochromatic.
Yes. So if it is a monochromatic, it is going to be with single color. So we are using a single color and we can go with different shades of it, right? It is monochromatic. Then complementary colors. Complementary name, it is an opposite color combination. So that we can go with one opposite color with another. So in primary, what is the colors? In primary, what are all the colors? Red, blue. So red, blue, yellow. Those colors are primary. What is secondary? So in between there is another color. So if it is directly opposite means red is having an opposite of what color? Green. So we can go with red and green color combination. Right? So this is the secondary. So next, empathy. So in this we are going to use how the colors has been included in it. Okay. So what is next? Analogous. So analogous in name, it is by nearby colors. So we can, in this we can primary and secondary. So if this R is red is here and if this opposite is having orange, no, yellow, red and yellow, and in between you will be having orange. So the analogous is nearby colors. So if you have any example for that? Blue and green. So blue and green are analogous colors. So in this color combination we can go with it. Okay. Next one is ideal. So in this we have to plan for accordingly. So based on the color combination, next the textures, right? The designs, what are all included in the fabric has to be mainly concentrated. So in this you have to strongly decide that if you are going to design a person, going for designing a person, you have to clearly know about the skin tone of the person or height of the person. So based on the height and the skin tone and the occasion, everything has been covered under designing part. So you have to select the fabric, you have to design the garment and have to make sure the skin tone of the person is to be suitable for that fabric. It is to be mainly mentioned. So next one is a strong decision. You have to decide one thing. So what is your point? What is your point? Stripes. If you are going with stripes, what is stripes? It is a lines. So we can go with if some person seems to be too tall. So how the line has been implemented to that garment, to that person's garment. Horizontal. To break down the irregularity. The person is too high, we have to use horizontal lines so that the height has been somewhat to be decreased. Or else if a person is too short, how we can increase? Vertical. So we have to be using this variety. So that only the stripes plays a vital role on that. So this is the main thing. Okay. Next one. In prototype. So we are going to a prototype. So in ideal itself we have designers. So if you are going to design I am a designer, I am a customer for you. So you are going to design for me. Based on my skin tone, first you have to include the color. So this color is suitable for me. So you have to decide that and you have to convince me for that. Right? That's the first thing. Then you have to decide the fabric. So which one is suitable for me. If it is a cotton, is cotton a lustrous one? It is shiny surface. It is a smooth surface. No, soft and smooth is different. If it is, this is smooth or soft, is stainless. Which one is soft? Cotton. You are using cotton, right? So the cotton is having a soft texture. It is a soft one. It is smooth. So the difference between soft and smooth has to be mentioned clearly. If you are going for a summer wear,